Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and supports local bands. This avoids wasted time later. Once done, pick a plan that matches your trip length and data needs so you don't overpay. Make sure you have passport and payment ready at the kiosk or online checkout. Then physically insert the travel SIM using the ejector tool, power on and watch for carrier signal. If no signal appears, don't panic. Proceed to the next setup steps to configure APN and activation. You need to enter the APN and any manual settings the provider gave. This is why exact spelling matters for data to work. Once entered, restart the phone and toggle airplane mode to force a fresh network handshake. This often resolves registration delays. Then make a quick test call, send an SMS, and load a web page to verify data. If calls fail while data works, check voice/SMS activation or enable mobile data roaming. Keep the provider's quick support code handy while you test. You finish by confirming remaining credit and setting auto top-up or a reminder so your service doesn't stop mid-trip. Managing usage prevents surprise bills. Once satisfied, secure the SIM packaging with activation details and provider number for easy reference. If something goes wrong, first recheck APN entries and restart the phone. Next, reset network settings if needed. If still unresolved, contact provider support with your SIM ID and error behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.